Okay, so good day everyone. Good day, sir. So today I will going to create a two-part screen recording wherein this is a activity. So the activity consists of two parts. The part one is screen recording showing the process of creating a custom mood board that will be used as inspiration for our management system. Okay, next one is the part 2, a screen recording of a complete management system prototype built using a design element and style from the mood board or in the part 1. Okay, so any other core features relevant to your chosen management system? Okay. The OBS Studio or the Open Broadcast Software, yan yung gagamitin ko ba? Ay, sir. So, during my video presentation, I'll be using OBS Studio. And the recording should be include both your face and your voiceover explanation, demonstrating the entire development process of your project over my project. And so my face is visible and I'm explaining the voiceover. Explaining through voiceover and demonstrating the entire development later. And okay, so let's start. Let's open the Adobe XD and then first thing first, let's name the web as moodboard. And so the first elements are we going to include is first the color. The color. So design. Let's design siguro. Bilog na lang. Bilog na lang. Ayan. Lagyan na natin dito na 150 by 150. Or, yan, okay na to. And then, let's say na meron tayong color na 5. Up! Nagbi-video po ako, tita. Nagbid-video ak, damdaman ton. Ayan. And then, now, let's create, let's say, 5. Yan, 5 colors. Add one. Ayan. And so since okay na, lagyan na natin siya ng color. So I meron na po akong hex color dito, hex code color dito. Ilalagay ko na lang po yung code niya. So first we have the E9 BAC6. Yan. The next color is 48C. So this is my chosen color palette. And then 695 A46. The next one is the 352D 23. And then the last one is color black or just simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so this is my chosen color. And then next, let's say text. So let's just press the letter T for the shortcut. And then so let's say this is hotel management system. And then I'll be using the impact with 110 points, and then siguro 30. Next, let's duplicate this. But I'll be using color black. Then duplicate. Management system. But it is a goody old style, and with siguro 70 points. Sige, 80. Yeah. Okay, so I prepared images here at the side. Ayan. So let's just copy. Ayan. Ayan. Mhm. Ayan. So, anything na pwedeng i-add? So, I think okay na to. Ay, no, no, no. Let's yung ano, pangalan. In 6. D2. Let's see. This one. The color is So, okay, now we have our color or the color palette, the palette, and then we have the typography which is yung gagamitin natin for our font later on. So, gagawin natin complete management system. Okay, for the next, ayan, may mga images din tayo na pwede magamit. So, this, I will going to use this for my background later. And then, for my payment method. And this is for the type of room that will be created. And so, this is our my part 1, ay my part 1, the mood board, custom mood board. Ayan. Okay, for the next one, gagawa na tayo ng another. Ayan, gagawa tayo ng another. Ayan. So, this is my part 1, the mood board, the custom mood board in my activity. Thank you po. And now let's proceed to the part 2, wherein I'm going to create a um, complete management system prototype. Ayan. So, let's just click A para magana na ng artboard. Ayan. Nalagay na yan. And control I and press V para sa select. Yan. So, let's name this as like, this will be our dashboard. Yan, dashboard. So, for my dashboard, I'll be using the rectangle. Just click letter R for shortcut. V for select. Ayan. And then here, I will going to use the color, the darker color maybe. Siguro itong nasa taas. Ito. Or hindi. Try natin yung isa kung mas maganda. Ito. Okay na to. Yan. So, i-copy lang natin tong hotel management system na to. Ito yung, yan na yan. Ginagamit na natin yung nakalagay sa mood board natin kanina. So, ito, gawin lang natin siyang color white. Then, oh yeah, ito, itong picture. Ito yung gagawin nating background image natin. Ayan. Baba natin siya. Ayan. Ayun, so, ayun, naroon na. Or, gawin natin mas darker itong kulay. Bakit ba? Okay, yun na. Okay, so this is our dashboard and mag-add lang tayo ng word dito ay ng button. Then sub V no fill pero there is natin 3 and text. book now. Okay, may book now na. Ay, wait lang. Let's add a hover effect. Let's make this is a component. And then, para sa hover niya, hover state. So, sa hover state, ang gagawin natin, ang kulay. Ayan. 6. Ayan. Tapos, gagawin natin ayan. Ayan. So, try natin kung gagana yung hover effect niya. Mali. Fill. Check. Okay lang siguro to. Ayan, book na. Ayan na lang. Okay, next is let's create another for our register. Control A or A, just simply A. Tapos B. Book now page. Or let's again. 695 or 6. Yeah. Ano? Opacity. Yan. Okay, so ang ginagawa natin is gumagawa tayo ng mm, register form niya. Ayan. So, itong register form, ito yung magsisilbing um, account niya para ma-access yung management system natin sa hotel. So, once na nakapag-register na siya, um, pupunta na yan sa dashboard ng user or ng customer. Ayan. So, since meron na siyang meron ng um, page para sa registration, pumunta tayo sa dashboard ng ito, dashboard ng customer. Yan ng client. Again, just click A para sa artboard. Then, and press V para sa, ayan. This will be our ito, rooms. Ayan, dito na tayo sa rooms. So, for rooms, ayan, rectangle. Yeah, aray ko. A46. 695. Six. So, ayaw mag 695 A46. Ayan. So, yan yung gagamitin natin para sa search. Para sa search natin. Para sa search natin yan. Next, another create R. And then, curve natin siya. No. 43. Okay. Tapos, another curve is 43. And then axis. Ayan. Text dito. Dito. 25. And so, meron na tayong room. Tita? Mamaya dito, nagbibideo ako. Papasok ko. Nagbibideo po ako. Ayan. So, this will be our room code. Ayan. So, room code kasi parang ano yan, parang room number din. Ganun. Tapos, price. And then, ito. Let's say, status. Kung is still if it's still available. Ayan. So, let's add some line. Here. Dito. Let's say the border is white. May kapal na apat. Yan. So, V. Control D lang. D. Yan. Four. Ayan, okay na. Next is, lagay na natin. Copy na natin. Let's just say that this room is single room. So, meaning this is for single room only. And then room code will be room 143. And then price, in a peso, maybe it's 3,499. Or sige, 500 na. 500. But this is per night. And status, available. Meaning this is available. Available, add some, lagay pala natin dito. Search here. And search here. Available, and then mag-add tayo ng button. Sa button, sasabihin dito. Book 30. let's make this. Hmm. Ayan. So, nagdagdag tayo ng kulay. So, parang gagawin natin is mag-add tayo ng another color dito. But the fill will be, yan. Say that this is looks sweet. Um, so that's it. And this is 49.90. So last one, this is presentation sweet room 543. And this is 24,999.49. Ayan. So, meron na tayong ganito. Ayan. Okay na to. Ayan. Next, create na tayo ng another. Ito pa, yung gagawin natin susunod is para naman sa single room. Kumbaga, kung ano na, kung yung mga room details, information, ganon. So, this is for room na. So, maglagay lang tayo ng ganito. Ayan. Natin. Kunin natin yung mga picture dito. And Control C. Ayan, single room. For single room, we have this. It's for single room. And then, this is booking form. And booking form medyo taas. 360. Booking form. Booking form. Ilagay tayo. Let's just say yeah. Again, using 352, 352, 3. So ito na yung parang customer's information kung yung pinaka-booking form. Kung magbo-book kayo, ito yung pinaka-form na fill outan ninyo, and then kung hanggang kailan kayo mag-stay sa hotel. Like for example, check-in date, ganyan. Tapos, check-out date din. And then, kung ilan kayo. Ayan. So this will be your booking form, or para makapag-reserve kayo, this will be your app form, and fill out this po. And check out. This is check out na. Or no. Let's say it's proceed. Kasi, let's say it is proceed. Yan, yan. Is yes. Ayan. So, meron na tayong booking form para sa single room only. And then, now let's create booking form for twin room. And again, just click A, and then B. Or, let's copy all of this na lang. All of it. And then Control C, now Control V. Ayan. So, papalitan lang natin to into twin room. Ayan, twin room. And then, change the, this is the twin room. Ayan, twin room. Ayan, so we have our booking form for the twin room, and now let's create another for our deluxe suite. Hmm, wait. Let's say all of them ulit. Ayan. And then, palitan na lang natin yun ng ito. This is our deluxe. Deluxe suite. Center natin dito. Then we have our booking form for deluxe suite. Next, another copy, Control C, tas A, V, Control V. Ayan, let's change it. This is our presidential suite. Ayan. So, um, The booking form is now the booking form for the single room, twin room, deluxe suite, and the presidential suite are now done. Now hmm, let's go to the checkout. Ayan, sa may payment. Yan, sa may payment tayo. So, mag-add na tayo dito for payment. Ayan. So, again, copy lang ulit natin to. Yeah. But, let's change this into mm, yeah. Mm. Sandali, nagbi-video po ako, ma. Mamaya po taano nagbi-video ako. Ayan. 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 Then, add some rectangle. Yeah. Okay, let's say that's yung ano, PHP 3,500 per. Ayan. Okay. Then, ayan. So, dito sa payment natin, dito sa method natin, magagamit na natin itong mga to. Yung mga logo, icon, Control V. Yeah, let's say this is for Gcash, Visa. Yeah. Ito via Gcash. Credit card. Araya. Araya. Okay, again. Yeah. Mm, 300 is 9,799 x Control C A V Control V. Sweet. 14,790. Hmm. Ay, okay. Yes, nakalimutan natin lagyan ng ano dito sa taas. Okay, next. Control C natin ulit. Tapos A. Tapos V, Control V. Ayan. So, okay na tayo dito sa may checkout natin. Napunta naman tayo sa pag-create ng method ay sa may payment method nila. So, sa 'di ba ano lang, 'di ba itong dalawa lang, itong GCash tsaka Visa lang kasi 'di ba ganito po. Ang gagawin ko lang pong ano, payment method nila or yung process is for GCash and Visa lang. Kasi po for cash, sila na po yung bahala dun sa may reception. So, ang gagawin ko is ganito. Ayan. Ngayon, alisin na natin itong picture. let's say, ayan. So now na meron na tayong payment dito, gawa na lang tayo ulit dito sa method. Paalisin na natin. Ayan. So, okay na to. Ayan. Pag GCash payment, gagamitin natin ito. Alisin muna natin to. Ayan. Let's say, dito yung reference number. Reference number. And this is the amount. Yan. And then I prepared um, terms and privacy. Ayan. So, i-adjust lang natin siya. Adjust natin. Natin siya ayan, and then button to check out. And check out. Now, ayan, adjust lang. Palitan natin ito ng ayan. So, kung may reference number, dito naman meron tayong, let's say, card number. This is card number. So, okay na tayo sa pag-create natin ng um, payment. Ay, wait lang. Check out. This is for GCash payment. And dito naman is for card payment. Ayan. So, now, gumawa na tayo ng prototype or yung flow niya. Ayan. So, let's just click the prototype here. Ayan. And then, click natin to. Yung gusto natin lagyan. And, i-hover natin siya sa ano yan, si Book Now button. Pupunta siya kay register page. Dito sa may Book Now page. Ayan. And then, kay register button naman, um, ayan, pupunta siya dito sa may rooms. Sa may rooms page natin. Wait lang, let's just say, palitan muna natin to. Let's just say this is for single room. It is twin room. Deluxe room. Residential room. So this is check out. Let's see. Let's just say this is payment. Payment. Ayan. So sa prototype tayo kanina. Okay, so kanina meron na tayong meron na tayo dito. And then dito na tayo sa part ng book. Dito sa may so as you can see, dito sa may book button, pag click natin yan, single room, pupunta siya sa may single room details. Dito. Yan. Dito sa part na yan. Dito sa page na yan, single room. Dito yan pala sa may pagbubook. Yan, ng single room. And then, next is dito. So, itong twin room book button naman dito, ang ibubook naman nito or ang pupuntahan niyang booking form ay dito kay twin room din. Ayan. So, next is for kay deluxe suite. Ayan. Ang pupuntahan niya ding booking form ay dito din sa deluxe room na page. And then for presidential suite, pupunta yan dito kay presidential room na booking form. Ayan. So, next is dito sa may pag-proceed natin sa checkout page natin. Kung na-fill outan na po natin itong mga booking form na to, like for example, nag-book ako for single room, full name, Denver Garcia, email, yan yung phone number ko, and then yung range ng date kung hanggang kailan ako mag-stay sa hotel. For example, from October 13, 2025 to October 14, 2025. Number of guests, of course, pang single room, pwedeng 1 to 2. Ayan. And then, now, pag nag-proceed na tayo dito sa proceed button, ayan, pupunta siya dito sa pag-checkout ng single room only. Ayan. So, same, dito sa may naman, dito sa may checkout, nakalagay dito yung konting details niya. So, sa single room, ito, ayan, 3,500 per night. So, prototype muna tayo bago natin na-explain yung mga yan. Now, sa twin room tayo. Pag pinindot yung proceed button, pupunta yan sa checkout ng twin, twin room din. Tapos, pag deluxe suite lang din. And then, pag proceed, so proceed lang din. Ayan. Let's say, for example, dito na. Dito sa single room, ang pinili kong payment type or payment method is for GCash. So, dito lang sa GCash. Ayan. And then, pag pinili ko naman ang Visa, pupunta yan sa Visa. Then sa my card payment, yan. And then for the twin room, if I click this, ayan, ay GCash, sorry, dito siya sa may GCash. Ayan. Pag card, dito yan sa my card. Ayan. Next, pag GCash, again, pag GCash, dito. And then pag card, dito tayo sa my card payment. Okay, again, repeat process. Pag GCash, dito. And pag kay card, dito. Ayan. So, pag pinindot yung back, pupunta yan. Dito. Next. Dito. 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 Pag pinindot naman to, dito. Dito. Dito naman sa may checkout, pag click natin to sa presidential. Pag click natin to, pupunta siya dito sa deluxe. Pag click natin to, pupunta siya dito sa twin. Sa twin. Dito, ayan. Connect na natin siya. Sa booking form, pag pinindot na natin yung booking form, pupunta siya dito syempre. Ito, kasi magbaback to sa previous eh. Yan. Okay, so try natin siyang i-present. So, this is my mood board for my activity. So, we have the color palette. We have the typography we're in dito yung font natin, yung font style, and the different type of font that I used. Of course, the pictures and images na ginamit ko sa hotel room, and then the background of my web or the page, and then this logo of my um, payment method. Ayan. Next is hotel management. This is my dashboard, and para magsimula, just click book now. And then, pag na-click na yung book now natin, register para ma-open natin or para ma-access natin um, yung mga room na available and makita natin yung ano ba yung mga status ng room na gusto natin. And then the price, and then the room code or the room number, ayan. And ano yung mga type of room na available sa hotel. Ayan, just click to register and then ito na. So in this part of the page, wherein you can search here what room you like. For example, I search single room and then lumabas yung mga available na room dito. For example, single room, lumabas dito is room 143, single room 4, iba't ibang room. Ayan. So, and then nakalagay din dito yung price natin per night. So, for single room, this is for ano lang, estimated or parang my desire amount per night. So price is 3,500 per night and it's available. And then again for the next one, the twin room for room 892 is available. So the price is 9,000. Ay sorry, mali yan. That's quick. 9,799 per night and the room is still available. And then if you want to book it, just click this button later on. And for the deluxe suite, room 777 is available and its price is 14,999 per night and it's still available. You can book it now. And then for the presidential suite, we have the room 445 for 24,999 pesos per night and it's still available and you can book it right away. Okay, so if you, kung gusto natin the single room, ayan, kung gusto natin yung single room, let's just click the single room and then pupunta tayo dito. Ito, this is booking form. Lalagay natin yung information natin na na customer. For example, me, magbubook ako ng hotel. So, my full name is Denver Garcia, email denver.gmail.com, phone number 0912345689. And then for check-in date, like what I said earlier, for example, nag-book ako ng October 13 bukas. And then, mag-check out ako ng October 14, kinamagahan. So, for single room, that's 3,500 per night. Number of guests kung ilan, but of course, single room, it is only limited for 1 to 2 person. And then, click this. Next is the twin room. Room 892 is still available for only 9,799 per night. Ayan, twin room. Same process. Ayan. Back. And then, now deluxe. This is deluxe suite. Booking form. Ayan. Back tayo. And then, presidential suite. This is presidential suite. Ayan. Now, let's go back to the, oh, wala siyang ano. Wala siyang, ayan. Now, for example, we go to the single room na. Ayan. And then, nag-proceed na tayo, for example. Ayan. So, dito naman na natin ilalagay yung price, yung checkout form dito. And then, for checkout, we have to select payment type or the payment method. Ayan. So, we have GCash, Visa, or cash on the arrival. So, you can pick either here. For example, I choose GCash. So, this is the transaction for GCash payment. Ayan. So, GCash, by GCash yan, reference number, you have to input the reference number and the amount that you sent. Ayan. And then, click. Ayan. Tapos, punta tayo sa may presidential suite na to. Ayan. So, nasa presidential suite na tayo. GCash, yan. And then, for Visa naman, ito naman yun, same lang din, but ang hinihingi niyang information is for the card number, card holder, name, and kung sino yung may-ari ng card, of course, and the amount. So, andito rin yung mga terms and privacy natin. So, for checkout, okay na yan. Pag na-checkout natin, lalabas na yung confirmation. Ayan. So, okay, let me remind that this is my part 1. Again, this is the mood board of this complete management system, which is the hotel management system. And then this is the hotel management system or the complete management system in part 2. So, mm, I guess this will the end of my demonstration for the part 2. And then I hope that you learned something, and ayun, thank you po for watching and for listening, and goodbye and have a nice day.